Are you looking for a new Honda motorcycle? Look no further and stop in Honda Big Bike and see this premier showroom and full service business right across the street from the IT Park. With more than 50 road and off-road bikes on display, you can view the stunning 1800cc Gold Wing, the new CL 500cc, and every size in between, and then stroll through the more than 35 smaller bikes on display. Honda Big Bike has the troubleshooting and diagnostic instruments other shops don't have. And after going to several other stores with no solution, Honda Big Bike was able to troubleshoot my electrical problem and get me back on the road with peace of mind. Honda Big Bike's friendly and professional staff is sure to take care of you. Thank you, Honda Big Bike, for getting me back on the road.